Hi, my name is Melissa Grande, and welcome to Environmental Science. I get asked the question all the time, why should my student take environmental science? Why is this an important science to take? Well, I think it answers the big question of how can we be a Christian and also an environmentalist? In fact, the very first command that God gave man back in Genesis was to take care of the earth. And I think this class really helps to answer that question. We go over key topics such as studying ecosystems, learning about the importance of biodiversity, talking about pollution and the effects of pollution on the environment, and we also cover sustainability and conservationism. And one of my favorite parts is there's a lot of discussion on environmental law. This class is not just about the textbook, although we have a really great one. It also is very hands-on. We have a lot of labs, including field labs, and students will have opportunities to help develop real solutions to real problems. They also have the chance to work collaboratively, and this is really a practical science with practical applications. The right student for this class would be students that are forward thinking and interested in subject matter like maybe agriculture, maybe they plan to go into the military, possibly their missions or pastoral minded, international studies or politics, or the earth sciences. So if you're ready to make a difference, this is the class for you. Sign up soon.